Yesterday, President Biden officially signed the Inflation Reduction Act, and it has raised a lot of questions from consumers that are looking for answers. And yesterday evening, the IRS updated consumers that are interested in claiming the tax credit available for purchasing a new electric vehicle after August 16th. Now, before we continue, subscribe to our channel for content on all things automotive to get notified as soon as it drops, and check out our website for incredible discounts where you don't even need to negotiate. Our goal is literally to make car shopping as easy as getting an iPhone. Let's get back to the guidance. The guidance released yesterday provides an update on the following: the new final assembly requirements, the transition rule for vehicles purchased before August 16th, vehicles purchased and delivered between August 16th and December 31st of this year, and finally, what constitutes a written binding contract. Let's go ahead and discuss the new final assembly requirement. If you purchase a vehicle and are interested in claiming the tax credit after August 16th of this year, a tax credit is generally available only for qualifying electric vehicles for which final assembly occurred in North America. Now I know what you're thinking. What constitutes a qualifying electric vehicle? So what the Department of Energy has done is they provided a list of 2022 and 2023 vehicles that meet the final assembly requirements, but you will have to use a tool provided by the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration to do your own research, because the Department of Energy clearly states that some models are built in multiple locations and there may be vehicles on the list that do not meet the final assembly requirements in all circumstances. So, consumers will have to determine the final assembly location for a specific vehicle by the vehicle identification number, or the VIN. And as I mentioned, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration website does have a Vin Decoder, and the link is in the description box below. Now let's discuss the transition rule for vehicles purchased before August 16th of 2022, because many consumers are asking about their outcome once they entered a written binding contract to purchase a new qualifying electric vehicle before August 16th of this year, but do not take possession of the vehicle until on or after August 16th of 2022. In this case, the vehicle has not been delivered, so final assembly requirement does not apply, and you may claim the EV credit based on the rules that were in effect before August 16th. So what about vehicles purchased and delivered between August 16th and December 31st, 2022? If you purchase and take possession of a qualifying electric vehicle after August 16th, but before January 1st, 2023, aside from the final assembly requirement, the rules in effect before the enactment of the Inflation Reduction Act for the EV credit apply, including the phase out for manufacturers that have sold over 200,000 vehicles in the United States. Finally, what is a written binding contract? This is where we will witness a lot of issues, but in general, a written contract is binding if it is enforceable under state law and does not limit damages to a specified amount. It is also considered a binding contract if you have made a significant, in this case, no less than 5% non-refundable deposit or down payment. Refundable deposits here do not count, and I am not sure how this works in states that require dealers to return customer order deposits if they decide to back out. We will closely monitor these states and report the results to the public as we get the data in. Additionally, a contract will continue to be binding if the parties make insubstantial changes in its terms and conditions. Finally, let's set your expectations in terms of consumer options for 2023. We're going to keep them low because, when you have low expectations, you're really never disappointed. And that's going to be the case for 2023. You will have very limited options. Of course, when a market is distorted, crises are inevitable, particularly in the short run. And in this case, we're going to see a dramatic drop in EV sales for 2023. Even the Congressional Budget Office forecast estimates as few as 11,000 EVs may qualify for the tax credit in 2023. Now compare this to 2022, where the US had almost 630,000 sold orders of fully electric and hybrid electric cars. And this number is actually twice the number of 2021. So even the government is expecting not that many sales in 2023. Anyways, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe to our channel to get notified as soon as new content drops. See you in the next video.